Learn to draw a character in less than a minute. Start by sketching a lot of small, sketchy poses. Aim for about 3 to 5. Find the one you like best and scale it up. Figure out the proportions of the character by referencing the head. Most characters are between 7 to 8 heads tall. Alright, here's a good time to pause and think about what the character is thinking, feeling, or wanting. It'll motivate the hand and facial expressions. Or you can just choose a generic pose and focus on the overall design. Start to redraw the character's body using basic shapes. Sometimes it can be helpful to draw the body before the clothes, but if you're comfortable with clothing, you can probably just merge that step. Finally, work your way through the next version of the drawing. Make sure to spend good time on the hands and face, as that's how most people will relate to your character.